This is a levee. It was built here in the 1930s to protect the businesses and homes around it from the worst storms. Everyone knew it would, that is until Hurricane Katrina hit. The unknown story of Hurricane Katrina is that the waters never toppled over the levees from that incredible hurricane. Instead, they worked on the foundation of the levees. They collapsed and a city of 1 million people was flooded. They came back out here on this levee, and when they drilled core samples, they found out that what was beneath this levee, the foundations were soft and they'd never withstand the greatest floods. In your life, you need to be able to drill down and find out if what your life is built on, the foundations that hold you, are strong enough to withstand the greatest storms in your life. And if not, tear them down and rebuild. You got to do this. You got to be awesome.